Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video to explain a problem that BMW E39, E46, E38 usually have. Look, this is the brake booster. It is inserted in a cabin under the pollen filter. It would be in the front left side of the engine. What problems are there? That water enters it, and if there are leaves inside or dirt, there you see what I say, it is flooded with water. It floods because the leaves, dirt, they obstruct the water outlet. The rainwater would come down here. This has a drain, and if that drain is obstructed, the water goes up. What happens with that? Question mark, which in the end, oxidizes the booster, brake servo, and it ends up going inside. With the oxidation, it deteriorates, rots, and the water enters. When the water enters it, this does not work well, and it becomes hard as a stone when you step on the brake. You will notice it when you step on the brake pedal. When water enters, the interior deteriorates and the vacuum that helps in braking is lost. The vacuum comes out. It would prevent us from braking well. Then, to all of you who have BMW E39, E46, E38, some of you will have already seen it. It will have happened to you. I know many people who have already happened to them, but this warning is for those that have not yet happened to you. You have recently acquired them and you do not know about this problem, that you know that you must clean the drain hole that is underneath so that the water comes out. You have to remove the hose and the dirt. Clean it from time to time to prevent water from accumulating, puddling and rusting this piece. This piece is made of sheet metal and it would end up rusting. Water would enter and the piece would be useless, with the consequent danger that it would no longer brake. Okay, step on the brake. And I would not brake. Okay, be careful with this. On top of this piece you have the pollen filter. And to access here you would have to remove the filter cover, the filter, and the bottom part that holds the filter itself. But it is easy to disassemble. Well, there I leave you the video. If it works for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.